Bob, tell us about your project with a Y. I think it's so wonderful. Everyone should be doing this in their hometown.
We've been teaching children at the YMCA in Rahway, New Jersey, square foot gardening during their summer camp for 10 years now. And at the end of each summer camp season, we end it with a special event called the Great Zucchini Race. And it's a hoot.
This is great. Every Y should have this program.
And we hope so, that someday they will.
Hi, I'm Bob Markey. I'm here in downtown Rahway, New Jersey, in front of our local YMCA, the same YMCA that I learned to swim at as a kid. We'll be right back here tomorrow morning as our campers who've been learning square foot gardening all summer long will be participating in a fun-filled event called the Great Zucchini Race. I created the Great Zucchini Race 20 years ago, and it's now become the signature event, the grand finale for the YMCA Summer Camp Square Foot Gardening Program. This event celebrates the end of our Square Foot Gardening Program for YMCA summer camps, the harvesting by the campers of all their veggies and flowers, and the theme of our race day, grow 'em, race 'em, eat 'em.
I'm gonna pick up the pace at the Great Zucchini Race. I'll take a bag of fruit, in fact I'm gonna need a whole case. I'll put carrots for my wheels, tomatoes on top, she's a real cool racer, the pick of the crop. I'm gonna pick up the pace at the Great Zucchini Race.
Steve, we just finished the Great Zucchini Race here in downtown Rahway, New Jersey, the finish of our 8-week square foot gardening summer camp program for YMCA campers. And I want to thank you, and especially for giving the awards to our Great Zucchini Race winners. It was a pleasure.
Thank you, Bob. What you've done here with the campers for Summer Y and Square Foot Gardening, the foundation is solidly behind what you're doing, and we thank you very much. Great job.
I appreciate it. You bet.
Must have a code that you can live by, and so become yourself, because the past is just a